can sit up at this side. Yeah. Then you can see, otherwise it's head full of Jumra, you can. What happened to her? Hey, hello. Any problem? So shall we complete now? So we are discussing about the glandular system, endocrine gland and exocrine gland. The gland which has pipe is called exocrine gland. The gland which does not have pipe is called endocrine gland. The gland which produces hormones is endocrine gland. The gland which produces juices is exocrine gland. What are the 6 endocrine glands present in our body? Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, gonads, testes or ovaries. So now second gland is, what is second gland? What is second gland? Thyroid gland, right? Thyroid gland. So thyroid glands matter is not given here. This is pituitary glands matter they just did. Everything it is outside in this book. They have not carried. So where is the thyroid gland located? The thyroid gland is located in our neck region. And it is bilobed. Bilobed means like this. 2 lobes are there. If there is a lack of iodine in our body, in person's body, it gets swollen. We call it goitre. Galgard, this is Goitre, goitre, or goiter also. We are talking about its function. What is the function of thyroid gland? It produces one hormone named thyroxine and calcitonin. What is that? Calcitonin. Nowadays you might have heard about thyroid. Have you heard? Some person has got thyroid. Thyroid means this gland is not able to produce sufficient amount of thyroxine.
And what happens to person?
Yeah. No, main function of thyroxine is to help in metabolism. Metabolism means digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion. Those all are controlled by thyroxine. And if thyroxine is not up to date, if thyroxine is not produced sufficient, then there is problem. So problem in circulation means that type of problem can be seen in blood also, blood circulation, or person cannot perform excretion easily, or respiration problem. It affects other activities. So the main function of thyroxine is to help in which one? Metabolism. Metabolism means various activities like respiration. What is that? Respiration, excretion. Then next one, reproduction, circulation. These things are badly affected, right? Now what happens if thyroxine is not produced more? Okay, thyroid hormone is like this. See here, that much big structure is here. But inside thyroid hormone there are parathyroid also. See, bigger unit is thyroid. Next one is parathyroid. And what happens? Here is given thyroid. And I just mentioned metabolism. If there is hypersecretion, more production, if more thyroxine is produced, then rate of metabolism increases. It means pulse rate increases, or our heart rate increases. Mental irritability means mind is not stable. They become angry very fast. Excessive sweating, excessive amount and reduction in body weight. Body weight decreases. Now next one is if there is less secretion of thyroid gene, then one problem can be seen that is called cretinism. Cretinism means whatever characteristic are there, slow physical and mental growth. Person does not grow very fast. Mind also doesn't grow. Body also doesn't grow. Dry skin, slow pulse rate, less sweating, etc. I had noticed one girl was there, 2, 3 girls were there earlier. While writing, they used to keep hanky and write down because in their hand there used to be lots of sweating. That's because of hyper secretion. Hyper means more. Hypo means less. And I just said next hormone produced by is calcitonin. What is the name of hormone? Calcitonin. It helps in, it encourages calcium deposition in the bone. It helps to deposit more calcium in bone. Third hormone. What is the third hormone? Third hormone is the third gland, parathyroid. So back side of thyroid gland. Which hormone is produced by it? What is the name of hormone produced by it? Parathormone. Remember, parathormone. What is the function of parathormone? Yeah. So it controls the amount of calcium in your body, right? And if there is more calcium, then what will happen? If there is more calcium, then what type of problem can be seen? Reduces calcium in urine. Okay. So calcium metabolism. Because of parathormone, there is normal growth of bones, teeth, etc. But if less amount of parathormone is produced, one problem can be seen. What is that? Tetany. Remember, eh? Because of tetany, T-E-T-A-N-Y, you will get 1 mark also. It may be asked in multiple choice. What happens in tetany? Tetany. Calcium level is very less in blood and twitching of muscles. Muscles twitch. They say bangudino. Right? That is the thing. And if there is more production of parathormone, then people suffer from tumor and stones in kidney, problem in kidneys. More production is harmful, less production also harmful. Now, our next gland is, what is the next gland? Sorry? Adrenal gland. Where is the adrenal gland located? Top of the kidney. It is also called cap of the kidney. How many adrenal glands are there? 2 adrenal glands. Right? And which hormones are produced by them? What is that? Adrenaline and cortisone. 2 hormones. What are they? Adrenaline and cortisone. Mainly we have to remember the function of adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone helps to face emergency condition. Helps to face emergency condition. That's why this gland is also called gland of emergency or emergency gland. Earlier I said master gland. Which gland is called master gland? Pituitary gland is called master gland. Why? Controls functions of other glands, right? Activities of other glands. And adrenal gland is called gland of emergency because it helps to face emergency conditions. What are the emergency conditions? Anger, fear, emotions, etc. Next gland, pancreas and gonads. They are also called heterocrine gland. Pancreas and gonads are called What is heterocrine? Heter.
Characteristics of both.
They contain the characteristic of both exocrine as well as endocrine. They have got pipe
Also,
and they produce hormone as well as juice both. If there is presence of pipe, they must produce only juice. Yes or yes or no? But these two glands, gonads and pancreas, produce both. That's why they are also called mixed gland or heterocrine gland. Pancreas, it is found near to the duodenum. How long is it? 12 to 15 centimeter long. Mixed gland, see, produces both pancreatic juice and hormone. Which hormone is produced by it? Which are the hormones produced by pancreas? Glucagon and insulin. One increases the work, another decreases the work. Means glucagon increases glucose, sugar in the blood. If there is more sugar in the blood, then person will suffer from diabetes. But there is next hero. Who is the hero? Insulin. What does insulin do? Decreases the blood sugar level. So, increase in more sugar in the blood is also harmful. That's why this gland must function well. And if this gland doesn't function well, they must take medicine. That medicine provides insulin. If that medicine also doesn't work, vaccine, insulin vaccine is given. Have you noticed? Some people are there who cannot control their food habits. Eating a lot of rice, bhatis. They will suffer this one. Who is number one bhati in this class?
You there.
You did not. You did suffer? Yeah. But we control your food habits, isn't it? Otherwise, at the age of 30, you will be the testing item for different diseases. They come in a test. Diabetes, will it fit or not? Blood pressure, thyroid, pancreatic, this, that, like that. Last one is gonads. What is this? Testes. Testes. Two testes are here, and two ovaries are here, male and females. So testes, they are ball-like glands. Testes produce number one sperm, number second testosterone hormone. Which hormone? Testosterone hormone. What does testosterone hormone do?
promotes development of masculine secondary character.
Yeah, it helps in development of masculine secondary characteristics. Masculine secondary characteristics means horse sound, development of mustache, beard, and sexual desires, etc. Ovary.
Produce
Which hormones are produced by ovary?
estrogen and progesterone.
Estrogen and progesterone. So, what do the estrogen and progesterone do?
Female character.
Secondary female characteristics, and not only that, they have to form egg also. Egg every month, right? That is all. So this chapter is, I think, completed. Not completed. Now there are plant hormones also, right? Phytohormones. What are they? Plant hormones. About plant hormones, we will be discussing the day after today or tomorrow. The day after today means tomorrow morning time. We'll discuss these 5 types of hormones. What are they? Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Okay? Then chapter will be. I think in government book also is given. Government book. Where is government book? Book here. A plant hormone is given. Then is given. Okay. Once let's check here. Number D. Read question. Fast. No question answer. I like it. Give a big round of applause. Yeah. Testosterone. Are you sure? Give a big round of applause. Wow. So champions are here. So cyber championship must continue everywhere. Not only grade 9, grade 10 as well as boys and girls. Number F. That one read?
Yeah.
Means this one we will be discussing next day, right? Okay. Then now I have to give you some. The one question is here, diagrammatic questions. Number J. In your book also, no. Please practice here. Observe the following diagram. Answer the following questions. Such type of question can be asked in 4 marks. Less than 2 marks of chakka. 4 marks, right? Chakka mark is 6. Chauka mark is 4. Number A, write the name of hormone in diagram. Hormone. What hormone? Glands. What is A? I think this is not ready here, right? Given there.
That is pineal.
You must be pineal, right? Pineal gland. Let me see here.
Pineapple.
This chapter shows. Pituitary gland lies here, down. Pineal gland lies up, right? Up. Pineal gland down. Pituitary. Then bigger one is thyroid. The smaller 4, they are parathyroid. And next one, thymus. No, thymus no need to do here. Adrenal, kidney, and below that, pancreas. And in males, testes, females, ovaries. So let's check the question of our book. What is given there? Because these diagrammatic questions are very important. We must do time to time. If we practice, then we can remember. Yeah. Number B. Read the question. A, D, F. What is A? Pituitary gland. What is D? D, pancreas. What is F? Testes. Okay. Write the function of BC. B. B, that is bigger inside. That is thyroid gland. So which hormone does it produce? Thyroid gland. Then C. Adrenaline. Then E. Estrogen. Testosterone is male. These are female. Estrogen and progesterone. Okay. But the secretion of this and that you can find out. Which glands are inside B? Parathyroid glands are inside B. Okay, that is minor discussion. Okay, open book, everybody. Because name the 3 membranes that completely cover the brain. No, then what are they? Dura matter, arachnoid matter, and pia matter. Bimali, when I was in class 9, I used to remember those things. Eh? You are in class 9. If you cannot remember, go back to class 4 and read. B for Bimali, E for Adhikari, C for Chetri, D for Dhami. What to do? That's what class 9 means. Class 9 is levels activity. At that time also, now also. No difference at all. Otherwise, Panduranga, Dima Changa. Right? Number 10. What is the question here? Two hormones secreted by male gonads. Okay, one is testosterone. Testosterone, testosterone and androgen. Okay. Write the name of hormone and gland that controls blood sugar. No, hormone is insulin and gland pancreas. Okay. Which hormone is responsible for the following functions? Balance calcium level in bone. Parathormone. Maintain the level of sugar in blood. Okay, then on this one. Now I have to give you some lovely and handsome work. Lovely and handsome work, I think this is done. You can do now. I will give you. Yeah. Okay, today I am not going to give more work because you have got this thing. Okay, such type of question is there in your book, right?
Yes.
One question do from your book.
Okay, sir.
Number 8 also you do it.
Yes.
Now number 10 also you do it. This much only. I think 12 marks this much, right?
Yes, sir.
If 12 marks work is given, it's winner. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Action.